Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to cancel gearup booster subscription. Like as you can see, this is the official website of gearupbooster.com. The first step is just make sure to download the application either for your mobile or for your laptop. And once you download the application, so you might already have the application into your laptop installed. So you will not be able to cancel the subscription through the website. So you must download it and must install it in your laptop. And once you have installed it, just make sure to log in with your account. And once you just log in with your account, you will see an option like below the accounts, there will be an option like stay telling about the pricing or your current plan or subscription. So just go to that option. And once you go to that option, you will be able to find your current subscription and the amount that needs to be paid or that will be charged. And if you, let's say, want to upgrade your plan, so that option will also be available into that section. And from that option, you can just cancel your subscription as well. And let's say that you are still facing some kind of issue. So what you can do is just go to their support section and just search on Google Gear Up Booster support. And once you search this, you can just contact them through their email address and they will be able to help you and cancel your subscription as well. So that is a simple and easy process of how you can cancel the subscription on the application of GearUp Booster of your account.